Right, so I think this is going to be very messy, but hopefully tasty and a lot of fun. That cheese is just going to go everywhere. Squeeze that down. Cheesy gooey mess of Indian loveliness. Oh, that looks good. Oh, that looks really good. Fantastic. So there we have it, guys. We've got our lovely leftover Indian toastie, some little few poppadoms on the side, but it's gorgeous melty cheese there all over, pakoras, onion bhajis, all wedged together between two delicious garlic and coriander naans. You've got to give this one a try.